crawling under the bed. Ah!
Sammy, why are you screaming? What happened?
Ew! Something lives under my bed. I heard it. You deal with it, please.
Okay, just calm down, would you? Everything looks normal. Oh, what's this weird thing?
Watch out, Sue. What if it bites?
Oh no, Sammy, it's just an old slime from one of our last videos. Guys, do you remember slime videos on our channel? Comment and tell us which slime video you liked the best.
Poor little slime. It was so pretty, and now I didn't know that my fellow slime could be in such a miserable condition. Oh.
Don't you worry, Sammy. It's easy enough to fix.
What? Ow! Susie!
Come here, buddy. Hey, guys! Today, we are going to resuscitate this unfortunate slime. For starters, I'll get all the stuff we won't need out of this slime. How did this unicorn get there?
Hey, buddy. How are you doing? Oh, I can't look at it.
But we're gonna help it, Sammy. So this slime is really tough. It tears easily. In a word, it just feels awful to the touch.
It's not its fault. Accidents can happen to anyone.
Oh, yes, Sammy. That's why we're going to give our slime some treatment. We have a lot of it. So I'll be able to show you 3 ways to make it pretty again. To make slime more elastic, we should add a bit of deactivator, so to say. In this case, it's hair gel.
Oh, yeah. This gel's great. I mean, check out my hair.
Let's add this gel to our slime. Here we go. Now I'll mix it in carefully. Ooh, squishy. It's getting softer and feels more elastic.
Come on, buddy. You can do it. You'll get your slimicity back.
Slimicity? Well, this degree of slimicity is more than enough. I'll add some glue too. The basic ingredient of slime, right? And enough. Time to mix it. To make our slime less sticky, we'll add lotion and baby oil. The proportion should be roughly 50-50. This combo will make the slime more elastic. All we have to do is mix it all. Ooh, this actually feels nice. Yep, now we're talking much better. Now we'll make it look pretty.
Are you gonna brush its hair?
No, Sammy.
Tie ribbons.
No, Sammy, I'll change its color.
Oh, wow. Then I'll go bring more colors.
Thank you. And in the meantime, I'll mix the white color in. There, great. It's kneading time. Because we'll be able to turn the white color into any other color we want. Mix, 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 mix. This is our basic makeover. Now we're going to use different additives. So we'll take 1/3 of our slime like this and work with it. Look what I've got! Yep, it's clay. It's very soft and will make our slime incredibly fluffy.
Guys, do you remember the video where we added clay to our slime? Comment and tell us.
Yes, we did it before and the result was amazing. Just gotta squish, squish, squish. Make sure it really gets in there. Wow, it's really coming together. It's splendid. Aww. It looks like a marshmallow.
But Susie, why did I go and fetch all these paints?
What do you mean, why? To color our slime, of course, and to make it even more beautiful. We'll have 3 colors. Pink.
Like me?
Well, almost. Your color is one of a kind. Blue. Just a sec. I'll mix it in.
Like the sky on a nice sunny day.
Right. And lilac.
Like,
Gladiolus.
are you gonna remind me about this gladiolus my whole life?
Guys, do you remember the video where Sam suggested calling a scruffalub gladiolus?
It's unforgettable.
True. So, these are the colors we got.
All together, they look like, oh, unicorn dolly.
Good job, Sammy. It'll be a unicorn slime indeed.
Wow.
To make it truly wow, let us finish it. And that's the beautiful marble effect we got. Let's add some colorful sprinkles. Done. And this wonderful unicorn, of course. So, this is what our slime looked like. And that's what it looks like now.
Now it's wow.
Come here, you.
Susie, it's amazing. You are a true slime stylist.
We have 2 more makeovers coming. Sammy, what do you think? What will our next slime style be?
It's hard to say, because so far there are no distinguishing features here.
Be patient, Sammy. You're about to see. I'm about to add a distinguishing feature. In the meantime, I have to knead this clay. Our base is almost ready. Now I'll add this color. What do you say now, huh, Sammy? Just a couple drops. Right. Now let's mix them in. This is always my favorite part.
Oh, water! It looks like water.
You are ever so shrewd, Sam. This will be seawater.
This slime will be monochrome?
Yes, Sammy. But it will have a secret ingredient.
It's artificial snow! Oh, I remember us making artificial snow. Susie, it was awesome!
It will make our slime's texture simply gorgeous.
We'll have a snowy sea slime. Wow!
Well, actually, the snow will probably make it look like sea foam, don't you think?
I agree.
That's the beauty we created.
Susie, I brought something to make it even more beautiful.
Oh, golden glitter! Let's hurry up and mix it in. But first, we'll move our slime into a bowl. And now let's pour glitter all over it. Also, we'll add this kind of glitter so that it looks like sunshine gleaming on the water's surface. And this cute seashell. Ta-da! Ready! Just to remind you what our slime looked like before.
Oh, I don't even want to think about it.
But this is what it looks like now.
I wonder?
So this is our last piece and our last makeover. It will be pink in color. I happen to have a piece of clay that's just right.
I approve. I'll go fetch something.
I wonder what Sam has in mind. What do you think, guys? What's Sam gonna bring? By the way, I'm glad that Sammy isn't worried about his fellow slime anymore. He's happy about its makeovers instead, no less than we are. I don't think this color's bright enough. Let's add more coloring. There. Now let's mix it all together. Really get all the color in there well. This dark color is about to turn pale pink. I just have to knead it some more. It reminds me of raspberry mousse.
Susie, look what I brought.
Heart-shaped sprinkles?
Because I adore you.
Oh, that's so sweet, Sammy. Very timely. Let's add some hearts to our slime. And then on top, we'll put this cute envelope.
A love letter?
Yep, because everyone loves slimes.
Right. So many reasons to love us.
Ta-da! Our slime is ready. Here's what we had. And here's what we got.
Oh, Susie, now I know who I should turn to for makeovers. I'll recommend you to my slime friends, too.
Guys, which slime did you like best today? Magic unicorn? Miraculous sea? Or the cute love letter? Comment and tell us.
Give a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Bye now!